And we continue our summer fun with my brother and friends. And today we bought this huge pool, inflatable pool. It says that it fits 700 liters of water. It seems incredible for such small package, and we bought the Orbeez. Here only a part, since half we began to grow yesterday. So in the beginning we inflated the pool. It was so fun that my brother decided to take a rest immediately. Then we filled the pool with water, and who likes to play with Orbeez? I still don't know and can't imagine how much is a million grown Orbeez. Let's find that out. Now this guy is about to have a real fun. That is only the half of it. The other half we had in another pool. I love to watch them grow. That is so satisfying. Oops, the other pool full of Orbeez. And later we noticed that we have guests in our pool. But you know what? They know the tricks. Watch carefully. Just pick that Orbeez. The blue one. Just look at this beauty. Seems our Orbeez pool is ready. And my brother says he also knows some tricks with Orbeez, like those insects. Just watch him. He says this is a bee style. Bee style? Really? What the heck is he doing? But it looks really fun. But the best thing about it is the cool. On this hot summer day, my brother was so relaxed that he did not want to leave the pool. He was just jumping and diving. Swimming? No problem. Hot tub? No, Orbeez pool. This guy is 19. Just look at him. That must be a frog style. It's already evening and he still wants to play in the pool. And now he wants the Orbeez trampoline. How do you like the idea? And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.